out of that bed. Capiche? Now, where's my cannoli?
Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm don't quit, up you must get. My client cannot be expected to wake up in these circumstances. They are deplorable, undependable, inexcusable, unreliable, and unquintessential. Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a six-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
Mira, you gotta get up. Drop the pillow. Just do what I say and drop the pillow. Drop the pillow.
My Uncle Anthony used to sleep late. You know that? Alarm goes off, bada bing, snooze. Alarm goes off, bada boom, snooze. You know what we call Uncle Anthony now? The late Uncle Anthony.